Welcome! If you're looking to update your gender on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest method so you can make this change quickly and easily with the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken to your profile page. Here, you'll notice several tabs and options. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal details are stored and managed. Inside the About section, look for the Contact and Basic Info tab. This is the area where Facebook keeps your essential information, like your email, phone number, and, of course, your gender. Scroll down until you see the Gender field. Next to it, you'll spot a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on that edit icon to start making changes. A new window will pop up, allowing you to select your gender. You can choose from the available options, or, if you prefer, you can customize it according to your identity. Take a moment to review your selection and make sure it reflects what you want. Once you're happy with your choice, look for the Save button at the bottom of the window. Click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your gender information on your Facebook page has now been updated. Remember, you can always return to this section if you need to make further changes in the future. Keeping your profile information up to date helps friends and followers know you better. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.